Hi, now first off, we're going to begin on how to upload files on your Google Drive. To find your drive on your PC, you have to just go to these dots here. Now you can also find YouTube, Gmail, Meet, Shopping, AdSense, and Calendar. Everything you want on your Google is at these dots here. So in case you're looking for it, there it is. You don't have to just type them. You just have to go there and find them. Your Gmail is here as well. So now what are you going to do? Just click on New. Okay, you can be new folder, but now we just want to upload um an audio file, or you can upload your videos, anything you want. But then we're looking for an audio file because the reason we're doing this video is how to upload an audio file. But then once you click on any of these files, now it uploads immediately. You can easily try it. But then let's get to the audio first. Go to downloads. I have my audio right there. If you look here, you're going to see starting to upload. So now you see, here we go. You see our file is now here, so you can share this file now as a link. So I was looking to use this file for let's say a work I had to do recently. I had some stuff to do recent. So you're going to see copy link here, but you're not going to you're not going to just copy this link because there are some restrictions. There are usually a few restrictions on the link. Therefore, you're not going to just copy the link that way. You're going to click on share. See, copy, and there you go. Click on manage access. Manage access. The link is restricted, is what I was trying to say earlier. Manage access. Now you have the link modified to a more suitable format where anyone with the link can click on it. Let's also assume you want to upload stuff. You want to upload anything, either a folder, file, or anything, So but then here it is. Everything you have here can easily be uploaded. So let's get to some part of the video, and we uploaded something. It's a file starting to upload, and it's on your drive already. So everything here can be uploaded, even videos, anything at all you want to upload to your drive. This is the way to do it. Click on new, your folder, anything at all you want to upload. Yeah, so there you go.